Hey learners, welcome or welcome back to Learning Bees. We are back with our daily English conversation series. Today's video is about be very exciting because we are bringing you a conversation between two friends from different countries and cultures. One is from India and other is from UK. They'll talk about their festivals, food lifestyle and family traditions while using rich vocabulary, idioms and natural phrases that will help you make your English sound more lively and confident. So, if you want to improve your spoken English and at the same time learn about two different cultures, this video is just for you. And those who have come for the first time on the channel, a warm welcome to you. Come on, let's join and improve our spoken English. So, let's dive in and enjoy the conversation. Two friends, two cultures. Liam, you know India is called the land of festivals. We have something to celebrate almost every month. That sounds fascinating. Back home in the UK, we don't have that many festivals, but we make a big deal out of Christmas. Christmas is celebrated here too. I always enjoy that carols and the lights. It's like the whole city is lit up like a Christmas tree. Exactly. And tell me, what's your favorite festival in India? Of course, Diwali, Liam. Without a doubt. It's the festival of lights. Families decorate their homes, exchange sweets, and burst crackers. It feels like the whole country is buzzing with joy. That sounds magical, Aarav. You know, here in UK, home is where the heart is. During Christmas, families gather, share meals, and just enjoy each other's company. That's lovely, Liam. In India, too, family is at the heart of every celebration. Festivals are not just events, they are threads that weave us together. I like that phrase. By the way, how do you usually start your day here? Oh, my daily routine. I usually wake up early, do some yoga, then head to college. It keeps me fit as a fiddle. What about you? Honestly, I'm not that much of an early bird. I usually grab a quick breakfast and rush to class, but I'm trying to get into the swing of these things here. That's the beauty of different cultures. Variety is the spice of life, Liam. Couldn't agree more. Talking to you always feels like a mini world tour. Same here, Liam. Conversations like this are the bridge between cultures. So, guys, what did we learn today? These are the highlights of enriching vocabulary. Today's idioms that are used in the video. Make a deal out of. Lit up like a Christmas tree, buzzing with joy. Home is where the heart is. Threads that weave us together. Fit as a fiddle. Not much of an early bird. Get into the swing of things. Variety is the spice of life and bridge between cultures. Note down these phrases in your notebook. Learn them, understand them, and use them whenever you speak next time. This will definitely enrich your vocabulary and your conversation. Today's key takeaways: use idioms and phrases to sound natural. Learn cultural comparisons to enrich conversations. Add humor and personal touch to daily routine talks. Respect differences. Varieties make conversations exciting. Conversations build bridges between people. And now, guys, that's all for today. We have come to the end of the video. Learning English is also learning cultures. Keep exploring, keep speaking. If you have liked the video, share it with your friends, and also, of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the. And of course, don't forget to comment about your views on this new series. daily routine conversations based on real life situations and which topic you would like to take in the next video. Till then, thank you guys. Bye. Let's meet in the next one.